Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this makeup tutorial. It's more on the neutral kind of warm tones because I was just like, it's not that it's not colorful. You guys can see like this burgundy and some pinks, but it's just more toned down than usual. That's what I wanted to do today, just something more natural, I guess. Even if it's not really natural, it's still glammed up. I really hope you guys like it and you guys want to see how I made it, how I did it. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so first you want to take your soft glam palette by Anastasia. I'm going to take a big blending brush by Sephora. I'm going to use the shade Sienna and I'm just going to put it all over the crease. It doesn't have to be perfect, this is just a transition color. You guys know I always do that and I find this shade is just the best shade for this look. And next I'm going to take my Prism palette by Anastasia. I'm going to take more like a bullet brush and I'm going to take the shade Saturn. So I'm going to pack it on in the inner corner of my crease. So you really want to pack it on all the way into the inner corner up to like the half of the eye. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and blend it so it doesn't look harsh, of course. Just like that. After that, I'm taking another bullet brush and I'm going to take the shade Mulberry from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to do the same thing but to the other half of the eye. So I'm going to pack it on my crease from the outer corner to the middle of the eye. You really want to pack it on and kind of blend the two shades together in the middle, and then just blend the outer, like the top part, so it looks blended and not harsh. So it should look something like this. And then after, I'm taking the color Noir and another bullet brush and I'm gonna work into the outer corner. So I really wanted the outer corner to be like really smoky, so that's why I'm taking the black shade from the Soft Glam palette. So you just want to pack it on basically. You want it to overlap the Mulberry shade, and you can blend in between. You really have to take your time in this part because you really want all the shades to be blended all together. So you're gonna have to go back and forth into packing the shade and blending so everything looks well together. So after that, I cut my crease. I didn't show it because it takes a while for me to cut my crease, so it should look something like this. And then after, I'm taking an eyeshadow brush and I'm taking the shade Bronze from the Soft Glam palette. I'm going back and forth between the brush and my fingers, so I just want to take it next to the black shade. Don't forget to blend in between, of course, otherwise it's gonna look really harsh. And then I'm taking a smudger brush and I'm taking the shade Rose Pink and I'm gonna put it beside the shade Bronze. I'm actually gonna take another shade. You guys gonna see I'm gonna take this shade or burnt orange. Sorry, I'm gonna put it in a corner, but at the end I just blended Rose Pink and burnt orange all together, so it's really gonna look more pink than anything else. So you don't really have to do that step if you don't want to. So basically, you just take the shade Rose Pink and just put it all over your lid. So here I'm just blending in between the black and the gold, and obviously you want everything to be blended. So now it's time to take off your tape. So I'm taking an angle brush because we're gonna work on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the shade Noir again. I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line. Yeah, that's basically it. So I just wanted it to be like pretty smoky. So I'm going into like the middle of my eye to the outer corner, and then in the inner corner I'm going to use the shade Mulberry with another angle brush because otherwise the black would just like go everywhere. And here I'm just taking a small blending brush and just blending everything so it looks all well together. And I'm taking a pencil brush and for my waterline. Okay guys, so this is how I made the makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's not like super colorful, but it's still like, I don't know, it's still glam. It was still kind of complicated to do because it was so different colors, but it all like meshes together, a lot of blending going on. Yeah, so I just hope you guys enjoyed the video. Of course, I have more for you guys. So I guess I'll see you next week. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
together.